Toeono-Tohovaka. As we reflect on our 2024 school journey, we acknowledge all the challenges and the learning we received from them. As the saying goes, that which does not kill you will only make you stronger. We acknowledge the great achievements in 2024. To name a few, the Niue, which provided learning experience that we do not offer on Niue. Tautai Oleve NZPPA, New Zealand Pacific Principal Association visit, and the exchanging of knowledge. This was the second one. This was the second one they have had here in Niue, and are already arranging a third visit in August this year. Definitely a wealth of knowledge from that prestigious group of educators. The Whakauna school visit and launching of the Niue children's book with David Riley and Melanie Maia. Not forgetting our 10 authors and illustrators, the instruments donated by Mrs. Luxon and others for our music program that we take great pride in. The stories written by our teachers, which will also be published in the coming month, are some of the highlights of our 2024 year. We take great pride in the progress of our students last year, some in leaps and bounds, and others at a pace that suits their learning style. We give thanks to our PTA, the Friends of the Schools, and all those wonderful individual families and government departments that assist us. We thank the New Zealand Government, Australia Government, and Government of Niue for their continued support towards our school.